Hi everyone, and welcome to SETI Astro. Today we'll be looking at my image of Sharpless 284, also known as the Little Rosette Nebula, and some of the surrounding features. I have taken over 40 hours of data, 64 exposures of hydrogen, and 48 exposures each of oxygen and sulfur. The hydrogen shows lots of nebulosity throughout the entire region. Stretching and removing the stars really shows off the hydrogen well. Sulfur was quite a bit fainter, but removing the stars and stretching shows the main bulb and another structure here to the left that we'll talk about later. Oxygen was the weakest, but showed a nice big patch in the middle with dark structures within it. Removing the stars and stretching again shows the structure. I combined them all into a standard Hubble palette, and then correcting and stretching for colors results in the starless image. The stars themselves I combined with a 4x palette, and then total combined the Sharpless 284 image. I have annotated the image with peculiar stars, carbon stars, bubbles, and the normal NGC and Sharpless objects. In the lower left is NGC 2282 with a very peculiar dart structure. In the middle left, there is Bubble E79 with a very small but well-defined carbon star, DGM34. And this object directly below Bubble E79 was strong in sulfur, but does not show up in any of the catalogs that I looked at, so maybe an unknown object. This planetary nebula, PK 21000.2, is actually incorrect. In the catalog, they say that it is a miscategorization and there is no planetary nebula there. I would also like to highlight some of the main structures. These beautiful columns, reminiscent of the pillars of creation. The beautiful shoreline here with dusty structure throughout. These dark lanes across the oxygen blue lake. And then two fuzzy dark patches, one here and one here, that remind me of Bach globules but are very dark and fuzzy as opposed to a actual Bach globule. I have updated Astrobin with the image and an annotated image along with a starless version. I have the acquisition details and a description along with close-in crops of the columns, the NGC 2282, the one bubble off to the left, dark lane structures. I have also updated my website, setiastro.com, with Sharpless 284, the Little Rosette Nebula, with the main image, close-in crops, write-up, annotation, and the starless version. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe.